Go hard, man. Go hard.
Go nuts, you put me on YouTube.
Go hard then.
Alright. Yo. Check it. Hey. I say you put me on YouTube, that's called a computer. And yeah, I got a sense of humor from my tumor. No, I don't abuse these women. I don't confuse these women. I just introduce these women. So I say that the sky is the limit. I look up at Target, look up at the cricket. Yeah, that is the market. South Central community. Rap is my opportunity. I do it from the top of the dome and it's rap unity. Rap is the dude. I'ma spit it, I'm confused. I would do it from the top with a screwdriver too. Like my screws is screwed in. Yeah, I'm finna do it under the fin. The boy, all lyrics will win. Walgreens is the pharmacy, and if you bother me, I'll probably hit you with the cartridges and hit you in your body, make you boys go hard through the grave, and rap since 3rd grade. No, I misbehave like the 973-9800-806. Man, I spit finna stay blended, and I say, wow, hunters, come to the town. I put you boys, now you niggas gotta move around.